welcome to the European LCS Summer Split Finals. Who will you be cheering for?
Fnatic, they're going in.
They've called Pickett. Pickett used his flash already and he's down. Fnatic have got a kill. Reckless is trying to run him down with Whimsy. The explosive cask is going to mix them around. Barrel into barrel for a double barrel kill. For the first time in 3 months, 12 weeks, 6 patches, one team added 1 loss to Fnatic's roster, and it's Origen. Flash Cocoon, the barrels, the boom. Soaz will be going down shortly, but it's going to take Huni. Rainover's looking for more. The red buff is ticking. It's not enough.
What an outplay!
They're going on me.
Here.
Can we fight them?
Go, fight! Simmer, here.
Gragas. Nice. Push up. Nice going, guys.
Fnatic even out the series 1-1.
Actually, I'm so excited. Oh, we're in Sweden, by the way. This guy.
Oh, now you're getting excited.
Yes.
Where's your
My family is here. We have to win. We cannot lose.
From Miffy, teleport was cancelled by Pickett. The max range hook, and that's going to be a kill here. And Reckless plus that. That's a kill to Reckless rather. That's a double. He's looking for
Triple
more.
kill.
That's a triple. He's looking for 4.
Bring away.
Give them that.
Bring away.
The Fnatic go 2-1. Fnatic, if they win, they clinch that first place seed. Chum the Waters is connected. Huni puts down the cannon barrage. The 1v1 happens, and it's Soaz that takes down the overpowered pirate.
Get back!
Okay, he flashed. Save. We end the game.
Yes.
Good job, Mios.
Yes! In the 4th game of the 15,000 goal down, they're going to force game 5. Now it's top laners on top laners. And we do see another powder keg is up. It's going to tick down. Look at
Overheating!
the damage. Triple kill!
Soaz got it!
Here, cheer.
I can go.
I can go from my side.
Azir.
Yes. Go. I'm moving.
Tristana. No flash. Go Tristana. Oh.
I slower. Go.
We can.
I speed you.
Nice. Yes, boys.
Fnatic in game 5 of the summer split are going to Hill. The Nexus. This is the 5th LCS split victory